Today we are going to be making some sustainable, low-cost vegetarian pizza.
Let the dough kind of stretch itself with its weight to keep it nice and round and keep the elasticity. As you can see, got the crust, but the thin middle. And it doesn't have to be perfect because life's not perfect. So now we're just making sure the dough is an even consistency throughout, trying at least, without refolding or restretching because it won't work if you roll it back up and do it. So now it fits the pan the best I can make it. Got this tomato sauce from the food pantry at school. With our food pantry at school, every Monday you can go and bring your student ID. They work with the Roadrunner Pantry, so they donate food to the needy and low income so that you can go pick it up for free, no obligations. There's no line. When I went, there was nobody there, just the people. And they don't have just food items, they have tampons, tissues, deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrushes, a lot of the necessities.
And cut up your tomatoes.
But you need lots of garlic. Just dump that. I guess I probably cut too many. Start from the bottom and move the way up. Get all the way around, even distribution off the plant. A little salad. Basil! Best kind of rain there is.
Rainzel?
Yes.
No, rather not. Rain? Bane?
Basil?
Bainzel?
Rainsbowl.
Brainsball.
That one's huge. Like, yum. Yum. And add chunks where I feel fit. With the aroma. Into the oven we go. Yummy.
That's perfect. Ooh, look at her sizzle.
But look at that. It didn't even stick. Bam.
Ooh, ooh, ooh,
That's how you know you did it right. Ooh, even that bottom looks good. Alright. Picture perfect.
Beautiful.